Let's do some practical exercise with this list methods. I have a list called L. The first function was len. Len of L returns the number of items from the list. There are 8 items in the list. Next function was count. L dot count of 12 will count the occurrence of 12 in the list. 12 is present 2 times in the list, so the output will be 2. L dot count of 7 will display 0 as output since 7 is not present in the list. L dot reverse will reverse the list. To display the list, the output will be reversed. The next function was append. Append is used to add new items to the list. I'm going to add 82 to the list. 82 will be added at the end of the list. I can append multiple items to the list. 43, 56. I'm trying to add 2 items to the list. Now the L will become a nested list. Append is used to add a single item to the list. 82 is a single element which is added, and 43 and 56 will be considered as a single element and it will be added to the end of the list. The next function was extend. I have a list called L1. L dot extend, within bracket I have to give the second list L1, and now the L will contain the items from the list L followed by the items in the L1. That is, the list L will be extended with L1. L1 will remain unchanged. L1 will contain 1, 2, 3, 4 itself, but L will be added with items from the list L1. Next function is insert. I am trying to insert an item to the list L1. L1 dot insert, I have to specify the index. I am giving the index as 1 and the item is 83. Now the L1 will contain 83 at the index 1. 0, 1. 83 will be inserted at the index 1. If I try to insert element at index out of range, I am giving an index as 7 and the item being inserted is 56. The element will be inserted as the last item to the list. The next function was index. L1 dot index of, and I have to give the element as argument. L1 dot index of 56. It will give 5 as output. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 56 is present at the 5th index. Index function displays the index of the element passed as argument. Next function is the remove function. L1 dot remove, and as argument I have to give the element to be removed. L1 dot remove 83. The item 83 will be removed from the list. If I am giving an item which is not present in the list, it will generate a value error. X not in the list will be the error. Another function is the pop function. L1 dot pop. If I am not specifying any argument, the last item from the list will be removed. The last item was 56. That item will be removed from the list. The pop function returns the element being deleted. The remove function will not return the element being deleted, but this pop function returns the element which is deleted. I can specify an index also. L1 dot pop of 1. Element at index 1 is 2, so 2 will be deleted. When I try to display the output, the list 1 will contain only 1, 3 and 4. One more function is there, L1 dot clear. This function removes all the elements from the list. The list is existing there. When we try to display the L1, an empty list will be displayed. We can add more items to the list. L1 dot append, and in bracket I am giving it as 12. Now the L1 will contain 12. I have a list with the name L. The element at the 9th index is a list 45 and 56. I am trying to remove that using the pop function L dot pop of 9. That nested list will be removed from the list L. Now the L is not having that elements 45 and 56. Next function is the sort function. L dot sort. This will sort the list. A sorted list will be created by using the sort function. If we want to sort the list in descending order, L dot sort reverse equal, the argument reverse equal to true. for the sort function will sort the list in descending order. Now the L will contain the items in the descending order. There is another function named sorted which is used to sort a list. The list to be sorted should be given as argument to the list, and this will return a new list. I am storing the new list in a variable L1. L1 equals sorted of L. The list L will be sorted and will be stored in the variable L1. Now the L1 contains the sorted items from the list L. Here the L will remain unsorted. The sorted values will be stored in a new variable L1. The other functions are max, min and sum. L dot max. Sorry, the usage was max of, and in argument we have to give the list name. Max of L returns the maximum element from the list, and min of L returns the minimum element. Minus 22 was the minimum element in the list, and sum of L returns the sum of elements from the list. One more statement is there, del statement. The list L contains some elements. Del of L, and as index we can provide an index to be deleted. I am giving the index as 2, del of L of 2. The second item from the list 67 is deleted, and we can use the slice operator also. Del of 2 to 4 is minus 22 and 89. Del L 2 to 4 removes this minus 22 and 89 from the list, and now the items minus 22 and 89 is removed from the list. So this slice operator can be used to delete a part of the list using this del statement. We can remove the whole list by using del followed by the list name del of L. When we try to display the L, name L is not defined, will be displayed, which means all the items and the list also is removed. So these are some of the list methods used in Python. Keep practicing. Thank you.